Hi guys, I'm Prashanti and you're watching Cook with Prashanti. Today in Mom's Kitchen series, I'm sharing a veg mini meal in which you will get tomato rasam, Mudda Pappu recipe which I have served with boiled white plain rice and papad. So, those who don't know, I have already uploaded one video in this Mom's Kitchen series where I have shared quick upma recipe. So, please do check that as well if you have time. And I would like to thank each of my subscriber for subscribing to my channel and request each viewer of my videos to please subscribe to my channel. So, without further delay, let's get into the recipe. First, I have washed 5 tomatoes with water and salt and taken into a pot. Now I am pouring 3 glasses of water and cooking it over medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the tomatoes are boiling till the skin is peeled off. We will take a pressure cooker. In that I am adding 1 cup split pigeon peas. Rinsed it with water twice or thrice till the water runs clear and poured 1 glass of water along with 1 small tomato, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and pressure cooked it till 3 whistles and turned off the flame. Meanwhile, our tomatoes are nicely boiled and the skin is peeled off almost. We are letting it cool. Now, our Mudda Pappu recipe where we are waiting for the 3 whistles. After that, I have released the pressure and smashed the dal with the help of a long spoon, or you can use a smasher as well, and kept aside. Now getting back to the rasam recipe, I am smashing the tomatoes such a way that all the juice from the tomatoes is released by pouring little room temperature water. And now I am straining the juice into the boiled tomato water, avoiding seeds and pulp. Here my mother has done it in a traditional way, so she has used her hand. If you want, you can use your strainer which is used for straining the juice or tea. And now I am turning on the flame and placing a pot for preparing the rasam. First, once the pot is heated, we will take little oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. As they start spluttering, I will be adding the sliced onions and green chilies. I have crushed few garlic cloves as well along with curry leaves and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I am adding ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon and again sauteing for 1 minute, followed by turmeric powder and red chilli powder You can always check the description for ingredients and their quantity. Once after adding the turmeric powder and red chilli powder, we will pour the tomato juice which we prepared along with half teaspoon salt or salt to taste and bring it to a boil. The froth color changes from white to yellow or orange. At that time, we need to add finely chopped cilantro, and you can add coriander powder as well, which is optional. It tastes better and also good if you don't add as well. After it is boiling, we'll turn off the flame. Our tomato rasam is ready. Now for the Mudda Pappu, we will take it into a vessel and add little salt to it and give it a good mix, and we will prepare the tempering as well. The tempering would be of mustard seeds, cumin seeds and garlic cloves, and our Mudda Pappu also is ready. I hope these two simple recipes are good. I have served it with one papad and 2 spoons of plain rice. I suggest, if you don't have any plans for 31st night, please spend your time with your family as well by making this mini veg meal for your lunch or dinner. It is really quick to prepare and very tasty. You can prepare it with minimal ingredients which are already available in the kitchen. And I'm really feeling sad to say that this is my last video. I was just kidding. It is the last video of the year. I will be back in the new year. So I would like to wish each and every subscriber and viewer of my channel a very happy new year in advance. So, if you try my recipe, please do let me know in the comment section below. If you have any recipe request, please do let me know in the comment section below. We will be keeping interacting through our community and comments. If you want me to do any Q&A session video, please do let me know. I would be most interested to have a session with you all by answering all your questions. But seems like no one has any questions or Q&A. Because no one has responded to my recent post. But never mind. I'm happy that all my recipes are helping you in building your cooking knowledge. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.